Cebu.
Talaga? Pero channel mo yan?
Sila lang sila.
Ay, no? Finally!
Kasi kapag mag-aalala kayo.
Kasi kilala ko nga yung boyfriend niya, barkada ni brother.
Oh, yun naman.
Pero hindi, ito pinag-ilapan naman niya para makuha ko takot ata.
Oo, yan.
Diba?
Oo.
Hindi ko to, oo. Parang first time na sinabi nito. Or na-pressure siya sa akin.
Correct. Wala naman na sa choice.
Pero at least,
Paano na manage yung pagkakaibigan? Yeah, it's all about trust. And it's a difficult, parang industry na people talk about you and issues come out. But then, when you talk to each other and just parang sinishare mo sa kanya yung experiences mo, oh, sige ganito, parang nilapitan ako, or sige ganito, talk to me. But I don't think there's any reason to be jealous. Kasi yun nga, open ka naman sa kanya, tapos siya rin kinukwet yung experiences niya sa'yo, tapos pagkatawanan niyo lang. So, I think it's really the trust that's important.
So, probably about no challenges pa naman na major na napagselosa na iba nga.
wala pa lang.
Wala ba naman? Okay, good naman. Eh, what are the